In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in iContact. If you've ever wanted to track more than just a first name and an email address, custom fields are your best friend. They let you store extra details, like a birthday, a customer type, or a city, so you can personalize your messaging and segment your audience more effectively. Start by opening the iContact web app in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to the area where custom fields live. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen for your account name or profile menu. Interfaces can change slightly over time, so it might be an avatar or a profile label, but it's usually up there. Click it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Custom Fields. This takes you to the dedicated page where you manage all the extra data points you want to store. On the Custom Fields page, look for the button that says Create a new custom field and click it. This opens a form where you define what you want to capture. Give your field a clear descriptive name, something like birthday, customer type, or city works well. Try to use names that your team will immediately understand later, especially if multiple people manage your lists. Consistency here pays off when you build segments or automation. Depending on your account settings, you may see visibility options for the field. This typically controls whether the field is shown on public sign-up forms or kept for internal use only. If you plan to collect the information directly from subscribers, you might keep it visible on forms. If it's something you'll add internally or it's sensitive, consider keeping it hidden. As a best practice, only request what you genuinely need. Fewer fields often mean higher form completion rates. When you're satisfied with the name and visibility, click Save. That's it. Your new field is now part of your account. From this point forward, the field will appear when you edit a contact's details manually. You'll also see it when you map data during form submissions or imports, so any incoming information can be aligned with the right field. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page to update the view. To recap, you logged in, navigated to the Custom Fields section, created a new field with a clear name, adjusted visibility if needed, and saved your changes. With that done, you're ready to start capturing richer data and tailoring your communications with precision.